Hi, I'm Adam Manson, Chief Product Officer here at BVR. On behalf of BVR, I'm excited to share the new Control Premium Study Interactive Report with you. The new Control Premium Study Interactive Report is available in addition to the Control Premium Study PDF report. Subscribers to the FactSet BVR Control Premium Study will have access to both reports. The Control Premium Study Interactive Report includes all of the same sections as the PDF report, but it also provides additional functionality. First, you can select the period you wish to see using the drop-downs on the left to choose a year and a quarter. In the interactive report, tables can be downloaded to Excel or as an image file. Graphs can be downloaded as Excel, CSV, or PDF files, or as an image file. We can also view the data table used to create the graph by selecting View Data Table. You can remove variables from the graphs by clicking them in the legend. For instance, we can click Average here to remove it from the graph. For another example, we can click on Sectors to remove them from the graph. In the trailing 12-month transaction roster, each deal is linked to the full report in the FactSet BVR Control Premium Study platform. If you would like to view the full transaction report, simply click the target name. The new Control Premium Study Interactive Report is a great new tool available to FactSet BVR Control Premium Study subscribers. This interactive report lets you modify graphs, download them to Excel or as an image file, and download data tables. This makes it easy to insert the graphs and tables directly into your valuation reports and other work products that you prepare for your clients. If you have questions, please contact us at customerservice@bvresources.com or give us a call at 503-479-8200.